tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect through Wi-Fi and can share the file sharing between two laptops. Okay, if it's connected in the same Wi-Fi, then it's going to work. Let's get started. We will go from settings. From settings, you go to advanced network settings. From advanced network settings, you go to advanced sharing settings. From here, you see there is a two types of network: private network, public network. From private network, you turn this on, network discovery, file and printing sharing, turn this on. Once it gets turned on, make sure the password protected sharing should be turned off, right? So once it's done, minimize it, go to the folder you want to share. Let's say like in my D drive, I want to share the work folder. Right click it, go to properties, click sharing, and just type everyone. Okay, now here you won't be able to find anybody here. Either you can do it like this, EBERY1, everyone, click add. Now I have given the read default permissions. You can change it, read and write, so that any user can cut and paste, even make some changes in the folder itself, right? Click share. This is being done. Now we will go back to another laptop. Okay, over there we will see some files are being kept here. We will see how this folder will be able to access it in the same Wi-Fi. So now we have moved to another laptop. In the same Wi-Fi is being connected in this laptop. I'll show you how we can access those shared folder. Let's click it, the first laptop. I can see here from the network discovery. Click it. Here the work folder which I've created earlier in the first laptop is being shown here. You can make some changes in the file. You can add some more files. You can make rename the file. You can delete the file as well if you want. So because I've given the access permission, read and write for this particular application, right? So this is how you can share files in same Wi-Fi between two laptops, but it need to be connected in within the same Wi-Fi. Else, it's not going to work if it's being connected with the different Wi-Fi.